Ever wished you could recall a script mid-call without sounding robotic? Today you will learn memory techniques that make scripts feel natural and second nature. You are about to get a simple practical system for memorizing core scripts and call flows. This will save time, reduce stress and help you sound confident on every call. If you are new here, subscribe now for easy training tips and weekly how-tos that help you level up on the phone. First, you will learn the core techniques: chunking, spaced repetition, and flashcards. Then we will walk a 7-day memorization plan you can use right away. You will hear a live read through of a practiced script to see the difference. Stick around. There's a quick role play example that shows these tools in action. Start with chunking. Break the full script into short logical pieces. Each chunk should be one idea, one goal, one turn. Label chunks by function: greeting, confirmation, empathy line, solution offer, close. You will learn each chunk separately before you combine them. Use natural phrasing. Memorize meaning, not words. Speak the intent behind the lines so you can improvise when needed. Want to know the fastest chunk to master first? It's not the greeting. Next, use spaced repetition. Practice short bursts often, then space them out as you improve. Day 1. Repeat each chunk several times. Day 2. Review chunks and add short role plays. Day 3. Test yourself without the script. Day 4 to 7. Increase interval gaps between reviews. This spacing moves memory from short term to long term. Use simple timers or an app to remind you when to review. Keep sessions brief. 5 to 10 minutes works better than marathon drills. Combine spaced repetition with active recall. Cover the line and try to say it from memory. Then check, correct, and repeat. Curious how flashcards beat passive reading every time? Here's why. Flashcards are active recall tools. One side holds the prompt, the situation or customer line. The other side holds your chunked response. Make physical cards or use a phone app. Shuffle them so you don't memorize order. Use voice recorded flashcards to practice tone and pacing. Say your answer out loud, then compare. Mark difficult cards to review or more often. Also practice transitions between chunks. A short line that smoothly connects two chunks can make your delivery feel effortless. Finally, track progress. Use a simple checklist or a calendar to mark the completed reviews. Seeing progress keeps you motivated. Want a ready plan you can start tonight? Try this 7-day memorization plan. Day 1. Read the full script aloud 3 times to understand flow. Day 2. Break into 5 chunks and practice each chunk with active recall. Day 3. Combine chunks into pairs and role play each pair twice. Day 4. Run a full script read through. Note shaky lines. Day 5. Focus on shaky lines with targeted flashcards and quick spaced reviews. Day 6. Do 3 timed mock calls with a partner or voice memo. Final rehearsal. Full read through without prompts and 1 live role play. Now listen to a practiced read through so you can hear the difference between raw and trained delivery. Greeting. Hi, thanks for calling Acme Support. This is Sam. How can I help you today? Confirmation. I'm happy to help with that. Can I confirm your name and account number? Empathy line. I understand why that would be frustrating. Let's get this sorted together. Solution offer. Here's what I can do right now and here's the next step I'll take for you. Close. Is there anything else I can help with today? Thank you for calling Acme Support. Have a great day. That read through shows clear chunks, natural pacing, and short connecting lines. Chunk your script into meaningful pieces. Use spaced repetition to move knowledge to long term memory. Practice with flashcards and active recall. Do a 7-day plan, read, chunk, pair, rehearse, target, mock, finalize. Want a quick trick to beat last minute nerves before a call? Try a 30-second chunk run. Practice 5 minutes before your shift. Run your opening chunk 3 times and your close twice. You will sound sharper and more confident instantly. If you found this useful, hit subscribe now and turn on notifications for more contact center training tips. Next video is about voice health. You will learn hydration, rest avoiding vocal strain, quick remedies for hoarseness and daily care. Thanks for watching now. Go practice one chunk right now. Checklist recap. Break the script into chunks, use spaced repetition daily, create and use flashcards, roleplay transitions and full calls. Follow the 7-day plan. If you want more beginner friendly call training, subscribe now and don't miss the next episode of Voice Health.